portable wireless speaker from the company Inwa. I think's how you would say that. And what this is, the reason it's portable is because it mounts to a bicycle handlebar. This actually has a mount that goes onto a bike, and I will install it and show you with that in action. But let's go over some of the product specifications first. So the rated power is a 5 watt. The frequency response is 200 hertz to 20 hertz. The Bluetooth is 5.4 Bluetooth. Wireless range 10 meters, about 30 feet, whatever a Bluetooth usually is. Battery capacity is a 500 milliamp battery in there. The working time is 4 to 6 hours. And by the way, this is IP67 waterproof. How about that, everybody? You get caught out in the rain, not that big a deal. Let's just open it up and take a look at it here. So unboxing it, you know what, you get a little set of instructions. There's not much to this. It just kind of like goes over how to set up the Bluetooth. I've actually already set this thing up and got it ready, but here's what it comes with. It comes with this little mount. Now this mount will go on a handlebar, or you could put it on a boat. You could unscrew that. It could go around on a boat like that. And then a USB-C, I think, USB-C cable, and a little like lanyard or a little carabiner. Let's take that little carabiner out. There you go. Who doesn't always like a little carabiner? This can kind of hang it wherever. And by the way, this has a case on it. Check this out. So this would mount on your bike just like that. Now that case is going to be there, and then you would take this on and off as you need it. Now I do like that feature a lot. Micro SD card in that bottom, and there's a little microphone right there for taking phone calls. So while you're riding your bike, you could take a phone call and just go. So let's go mount this thing now. All right, so I have my Fat Tire e-bike here. Let's go ahead and mount this thing on here. Here's the speaker. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to mount it right there. Let's see how easily we can do this. So what you want to do is just loosen this up. Now they do have a rubber insert in there. You're going to have to loosen this all the way up. This is not something, now good thing is you don't have to take this on and off of the bike. Once you mount it once, you are set. So sliding that on there. So you want to be careful. You see this little nut right here? Be careful because you see how there's a nut capture right there. You don't want to drop it like I just did. It took me a minute to find it, so that's why there was a cut in there. So now you just tighten it up. You see how it's tightening up around there? We'll go ahead and tighten this down all the way. Now it does have that rubber insert in there, and that insert's helping it get tighter. So if I want to, see how I just take that off so I can take it in the house and charge it, and then that just stays there. Then when I'm ready to come back with a fully charged speaker, I can go. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
So it is. Okay, so I'm fully connected here. Let's go ahead and let's pull something up that's a little less copyright. I think this is just some classical music. Check that out. This is awesome. What I like is the fact I can pause it. So it's paused right now. So let's go ahead and ride around and let's see how well this thing works. Let's unpause it. Shaking the handlebars. That seems to work great, everybody. I have my own little musical orchestra going on right here. And like I said, if you want to just pull it off, so let's pause it here, and if you just want to take the whole thing off, you'll just pull it up right here. You can unscrew it right there, or like I said, you can take the whole unit off just like that. Now I would take this in the house, I could charge it, or I could just use this as a mini little speaker by itself. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Inwa, bike speaker, or just speaker in general. See you all in the next video.